Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Zoey with this golden outfit in Dress to Impress. Okay, first of all guys, for the hair, you can choose this hair and then you're going to color it black and then combine it with this bang, make it black, and then you can do this adjustment and this one as well. You're going to choose only bangs and then make it black and then apply this adjustment. Position, rotate, and then scale. And then for the earring, you can put on this earring, make it this color, and this necklace, make it this color, and this boots, you can make it white and also gold. And then for the toggle, you can choose toggle 2. And then the next one, I'm going to put on this short jeans, and I'm going to make it white for the first selection and also the second selection. And for the texture, I'm going to make it metallic. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the dressing room. And from here, go to the petal update and put on this top. And for the first selection, we're going to make it white. For the second selection, make it this gold color. Okay, this is for the color code. And for the lacing, I'm going to make it white. And then we're going to make it metallic for all the selection. Okay, done. And then I'm going to go to the currency item and I'm going to put on this sleeves and then make it metallic for the first selection and also the second selection. And again, we're going to make it white. And then go to the codes item. You're going to put on this top, make it white. And then you're going to make it metallic and make it smooth. And then you're going to put on this LS skirt. Okay, you're going to remove the ribbon and make it white for the first selection and also the second selection. And for the lacing, make it this color. And then we're going to make it metallic. Okay. And then I'm going to go back to the currency item and put on this skirt. You're going to choose toggle 4 and make it white. And for the second selection, you're going to make it this color. Okay. And then you're going to make it metallic. Okay, now it's done guys, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Zoey with this outfit in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.